As I said before, when I started, it used to be a big XD cam camera like this. Now we have only regret that people should consider this very, very important decision before they go to surgery. It's an opportunity to share my and my colleagues' experience in filming, in my case, documentaries all over the globe. So I think it's I think it's very important because our experience was gained by many trips around the world, and I think it's fair to share it with our colleagues. I think that's my main goal here. I haven't filmed the documentary here in Indonesia, unfortunately, yet, but I would like to, and I would like to explore the brilliant, colorful cultural diversity, arts and habits of the Indonesian people, of their history and so on. I will definitely would like to visit your brilliant, beautiful country and film a documentary if I will have an opportunity to do that. So,
For this event, what subject do you want to deliver?
my main subject I would like to share with my colleagues that documentary is on the rise as a format. It's became very popular all around the globe for several reasons. And I think the competition between the documentary filmmakers is very tough nowadays, but it's very interesting at the same time. So I would like to address to journalists who in the middle of deciding, considering their way further in the profession. I would like them to say that they can consider documentary as an opportunity to go further in the journalism.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.